Publishing's mission is to help authors find the right path to publication for their particular literary project and stay on it. To serve authors of every genre, no matter where they are on their literary journey. To help authors build their book and book business, and to help writers elevate their writing careers. To help both authors and writers create multiple streams of income to sustain their business. Multiple streams of income that will allow for supplemental, passive, and residual income, all leading to generational wealth. But more importantly, to help authors realize their intellectual property is priceless. We do so through conferences, workshops, webinars, literary resources, one-on-one consulting, and online courses. Path to Publishing is passionate about not only supporting the literary arts, but making a contribution to the literary industry. Path to Publishing's purpose is to provide professional publishing instruction, guidance, services, and education, resulting in literary excellence. Our Path to Publishing verification and certification program complements our purpose by training Path to Publishing instructors and literary consultants using our tried and tested curriculum and framework. Pathfinders are members of the Path to Publishing community, literary tribe members. Path to Publishing community is not just writers writing and publishing and selling books and publication. We are literary architects building literary empires. Path to Publishing believes that books, writings, and publications have just as great of an influence on society as music, film, and dance. When it comes to declaring someone a triple threat, being an author or being a writer should be an option. Authors and writers are literary rock stars. Literary artists, literary entertainers. They belong on the red carpet too.
Joy and I entered into a 3-month contract, and it was worth the investment that I applied to it. And I can't tell you enough about her expertise, her energy, and her experience. She is one of the best in the business. So I encourage anyone, if you're considering utilizing her services, to please do so. You will not be disappointed. Joylyn is a professional, she's an expert, and I loved every minute of working with her.
I'm Cheryl Green, and I am the author of Surviving to Thriving: How to Overcome Setbacks and Rock Your Life. I'm very excited. I just finished up the 3-day Act Like an Author, Think Like a Business conference with Path to Publishing and Joylyn Ross. It's been amazing. I have so much to do and so much to work on.
Hi, I am Angela Anderson, and I am having an amazing time at the Act Like an Author, Think Like a Business conference. Today was just amazing. It is day 1. It has been amazing since 8 o'clock this morning until now. We have received lots of information from Joylyn Ross. The collaboration, the meeting other authors, meeting other people in the industry has been fabulous, and I have had an awesome, awesome time today.
Every book and publication or literary creative piece starts with a thought, idea, or concept. That is our intellectual property. Every business starts with a thought, idea, or concept. Every business derives from someone's creative thought. Path to Publishing helps individuals take their books and publications, their writings, their intellectual property, and build businesses, literary empires, and develop literary careers that allows them to make a living as authors and writers. We put together a curriculum of which we refer to as the Literary Blueprint to assist authors and writers write in excellence, publish in excellence, and sell in excellence, to profit in excellence. Our curriculum results in both creating literary art and literary businesses. Writing and developing the written project through Path to Publishing's writing and editorial literary services, including book coaching and consulting. Path to Publishing literary consultants chauffeur writers along their literary journey. We go beyond the basics because, after all, who wants to be basic? There has to be a separation between personal and business, between being an author and being a publisher. Determine what making a living means to you. Then be intentional, using Path to Publishing curriculum, resources, tools, and strategies to make it happen. One of the biggest misconceptions people have about achieving literary success or achieving financial literary success, or both, is that you have to be this great writer. You don't have to be a writer to become a published author. You don't have to be a writer to achieve literary success, to achieve financial literary success. And you don't have to love writing to become a published author. You don't even have to write. There are resources and literary industry professionals that make literary success, that make financial literary success a possibility. The Act Like an Author, Think Like a Business conference introduces individuals with a thought, idea, message, testimony, or concept they wish to transform into a publication to possibilities they either never thought of, never dreamed of, or imagined. A book should be a part of every business. Business coaches and business consultants, one of the first things you should share with your clients is the fact that they should have a publication supporting their business to make it more visible, as well as to validate their expertise. Every professional speaker needs an extension of their message. They need a tool that is not only going to extend their reach beyond speaking engagements, but that will also qualify and or validate them as an expert in their industry or niche. Pastors, preachers, ministers, and apostles, your Sunday morning message should still have life come Monday morning. It should be able to reach those outside of the church walls. Where is your publication? Along your life's journey, whether you did everything wrong or whether you did everything right, there is something you can teach with others. There's something you can share with others. There is something inside of you that can change, alter, and save someone else's life. You have someone else's portion inside of you. And as long as you keep it to yourself, as long as you keep it inside of you, you're starving them. It's time to feed the people. It's time to feed the world. A literary feast. It's time to either write that book or take those books you've already written to new levels in order to reach the masses. It's time to build a literary empire with your book as the foundation. Who told you that your thoughts were only worth a penny? And why did you believe them? Join the Path to Publishing community, where you can learn how to create passive, supplemental, and residual income leading to generational wealth. All with your intellectual property. All while supporting the literary arts, and all while contributing to the literary industry. Path to Publishing champions self-publishing, but we don't only assist self-published authors. We work with all authors, self-published, traditionally published, POD, hybrid authors, those publishing with hybrid publishers or collaborative publishers, also known as partnership publishing. Even if you have literary representation, regardless of what kind of author you are, your book is your business. Path to Publishing helps you mind your business, your book business, of course.